Hey, welcome back. So today is day 4. I can graph quadratics in vertex form using the x-intercepts and the vertex. So you guessed it, we are continuing on with graphing, and it's kind of a repeat of last unit. So this is going to look like the following. Let's look at y equals 9 times x plus 1 squared minus 36. Okay, so first thing we have to do, set it equal to 0, solve for the x-intercepts. 9 times x plus 1 squared minus 36. Okay, so let's add 36 to both sides. We've got 36 equals 9 times x plus 1 squared. Divide by 9. And 4 equals x plus 1 squared. So take the square root. And x plus 1 equals plus and minus 2. Two equations. 2 equals x plus 1. And negative 2 equals x plus 1. So subtract 1 from both sides. So we've got 1 equals x and negative 3 equals x. Okay, so we're taking that into our table that we have seen a bunch of times where we just have x and y. So remember, these values are when y is 0. All right, so we've got 1 there, negative 3 there. This time we are doing the vertex. Okay, the vertex, remember, is when we add those two values together. 1 plus negative 3 and divide by 2. Well, that's negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. Okay, so take negative 1. Put that back in to the equation and figure out your y value. Okay, so your y value, negative 1 plus 1, 0 times squared is 0 times 9 is 0. So we've got negative 36 for our y. Okay, so that means we have to graph it. Remember, we only need those 3 points to graph, really. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got to go all the way down to negative 36. So I'm actually going to go by like 4s. There's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. There's negative 36. Okay, on my x, on my y. So if I graph these points, 1, 0, that's right here. Negative 3, 0. And negative 1, negative 36. Way down there. So coming through my graph, will look something like that. Okay, so just using those 3 points, the 2 vertices, the 2 intercepts and your vertex, and we've got our parabola. Okay, so I want you to, here is the problem I would like you to try. Y equals negative 1 over 3 times x plus 4 squared plus 7. Okay, remember, maybe I'll do the first couple steps with you because I know some of us struggle with fractions. If not, great. But in case you do, okay, so I'm going to subtract 7. So I've got negative 7 equals negative 1/3 times x plus 4 squared. To get rid of this negative 1/3, you can either divide by negative 1/3 or times by negative 3/1 times negative 3/1. Oh, that's a negative sign. Okay, so on this side, that's 21 equals x plus 4, the quantity squared. Okay, you go from there, find the intercepts, find the vertex, give it a try to graph, bring any questions you have to class, and have a super evening.